Do you see it? Paul, what the fuck is wrong with your character? Start moving around, Paul.
Deploying drone.
Just sliding on his ass like it's no big deal. Look at him go! Look at him fucking go! No, Paul's sliding on his ass. Not on my screen. It's like he's stuck in the car animation. He's just sliding around on his ass.